Today we're in a place called Nampo, where the food flows like water. It's basically like Disneyland, but for my mouth. Let's go.
Nampo-dong, Busan's flavorful smorgasbord of delicious eats and treats. If you're willing to add a little extra blubber onto your winter bod, this is the place to do it. This tempting goodiness has endless streets sprouting with food carts, food stalls, and restaurants. Nampo not only is Busan's food porn hub, but also is a hot spot for all kinds of shopping, whatever tinkles your fancy. So today, follow your boy as I stretch my belly and my booty fat with a few of Nampo's finest treats.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 뭐 드릴까요? 만두?
네, 만두 주세요.
어디서 오셨어요?
캘리포니아에서.
어이구 한국말 잘하시네.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. Basically, she made me some delicious Korean pancakes called jjim. Oh, delicious. It's crunchy. It's got some soy sauce. It's got vegetables. It's got everything you need for a well-balanced, healthy diet. And then after that, we're gonna put some mandu in our mouth. Oh, it's so tasty. It's so good. This makes me so happy. 이거 얼마예요?
2,000원이요.
2,000원이에요?
예, 잡채.
잡채?
예.
Oh, I love 잡채.
잡채 한 그릇 드릴까요?
내지 조금만.
조금만 먹어요.
왜냐면 많이 먹을 거예요.
예, 많이 먹으려고.
감사합니다. Wow. This is called chapchae, glass noodles. 맛있어요. So chapchae, it's got vegetables, it's got some carrots. It's super slimy. That's why I like it. I like slimy things. Oh my. Oh. It just slides down my throat so easy. It's like natural food lube. Yeah, lube noodles. 이모. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
맛있었어요.
맛있었어요.
Well, that was a little treat. On to the next one. Okay, right now I'm on a specific mission. I want to get Korean pancakes, hot dog, sweet pancake. 안녕하세요. 한개 드릴까요? 네. 어디서 왔어요? 캘리포니아에서 왔어요.
Really?
Really?
Oh, California.
Where are you from?
Where from Busan?
From Busan.
잘생겼어요.
Oh, 감사합니다.
미남이 아주 미남.
Oh, he's the best. He wants a tip. You're number one.
감사합니다. 한국에서 무슨 일 하세요?
자, 영어 선생님이.
아, 영어 선생님.
We're best friends now. We're gonna hang out later. I'm gonna invite him to my wedding, my funeral, and he's gonna make hot dogs there. I'm so excited.
가위로 잘라서 자른 다음에 여기다 이렇게 쳐요. 3번. 자, 잘 익었죠? 여기다 이렇게 3번. 이렇게 넣어서 먹으면 아주 맛있어요.
감사합니다. I'm about to have the most delicious hot dog in all of Korea from my best friends. It's so good. When I eat this, it reminds me of my childhood. I can feel the wind across my face. If lightning struck me right now, I'd be okay with it. So now we're going to a night market street. More goodies. 안녕하세요. 식혜 얼마예요?
1,000원이요.
1,000원? 네, 식혜 주세요.
네.
So this is a delicious little rice, sweet rice drink. $1. It's worth it. Oh, 감사합니다.
네. 맛있게 드세요.
Yeah, look how beautiful that is. Yeah, sweet. It's got rice in it. Woo. Okay, let's go. 안녕하세요. So much stuff. I don't know which one to choose. There's a lot of people staring at me right now. Ooh, 감사합니다. This is called bingsu. Pineapple, ice, and beans. Oh, coconut too? Coconut, pineapple, 그리고 jelly? 오렌지? 아, 맛있겠다. Oh, 맛있어요. It's so fresh. It's exactly what I needed. It's a perfect little treat. You don't want to mix it too much and melt the ice because now it kind of looks like a bowl of snot. But it doesn't taste like a bowl of snot. It tastes much better than that. Okay, the next thing we're gonna eat is like a really popular dish in Korea. It's called tteokbokki. It's basically like a fried rice cake, and it's got hot sauce on it. I can smell it. 감사합니다.
알겠습니다.
I love the way they say that. Yeah. That means yes. All right, here we are. Tteokbokki in all of its richness. That's all hot sauce. I'm a little scared. Here we go. Right. It's pleasant. A little spicy. A little bit. It's just hot out, that's why I'm sweating. It's not because it's too spicy. Okay, this is a little spicy. Oh, 맛있어요. 감사합니다.
맛있어요? 네.
너무 매워요. Okay, dude, I can't. I'm done. It was good. It's just, I'm full. I think my time here is done. That was Nampo-dong in all of its glory and greatness. Delicious food. If you come to Busan, you gotta come to Nampo because there's food everywhere. It's food heaven. An orgy of food in your mouth. Remember that. Peace. Are you still following me?